And joining us from Met Éowyn with the weather and sea area forecast is Michelle Dillon. Hi, Michelle.
Hi, Carl. Thank you. Hi there. Well, the winds have really picked up significantly in parts of the south and west as storm Éowyn continues to approach from the west, tracking close to the west and northwest tonight. The nationwide status orange warning is kicking in now in a few minutes, lasting until 4 o'clock tomorrow evening, with those status red warnings coming into effect for all areas at various times between 2 o'clock in the morning and 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So storm Éowyn will be disruptive and destructive and will bring a danger to life and property. So please stay sheltered and away from coast, as winds will reach violent storm force or even hurricane force at times in coastal parts of the west. The winds will gradually abate through the day tomorrow, but it will remain windy in the north, with a yellow wind warning through the evening and early night in Donegal. Weather-wise, we'll have heavy rain clearing northwards tonight, with showers to follow for tomorrow and with longer spells of rain in the north. Low temperatures early tonight in many areas of 2 to 7 degrees, but becoming milder for a time from the south, and highest temperatures tomorrow of 5 to 8 degrees. And now the sea area forecast for the next 24 hours. There's a gale warning and a small craft warning in operation. The meteorological situation at 2100. Ireland lies in a strong to strong gale force south to southeast airflow, which continues to intensify. Storm Éowyn, with central pressure of 951 hectopascals, lies approximately 200 nautical miles west of Slinehead and continues to deepen. It'll track northeastwards close to Ireland tonight and tomorrow morning. Its associated frontal troughs track northeastwards over Ireland. Forecast for Irish coastal waters from Mizenhead to Loophead to Errishead. Winds increasing southwest to west, storm force 10 to hurricane force 12 imminent. Soon decreasing westerly force 7 to strong gale force 9. Later decreasing mostly force 5 or 6. Weather, cloudy to fair imminent with showers or longer spells of rain. Soon scattered showers, isolated hail and thunder. And the visibility is moderate to poor in precipitation. Forecast for Irish coastal waters from Errishead to Mallinhead to Belfast Lough. Winds increasing cyclonic variable, mostly gale force 8 to storm force 10. Soon increasing westerly, storm force 10 to hurricane force 12. Later gradually decreasing force 6 to gale force 8. Weather, cloudy with rain, heavy at times, isolated hail and thunder. The visibility is moderate to poor in precipitation. Forecast for Irish coastal waters from Belfast Lough to Carnsore Point to Mizenhead and for the Irish Sea. Winds increasing southwest or west, strong gale force 9 to violent storm force 11. Soon decreasing force 7 or gale force 8 south of Hoathead and for the South Irish Sea. Later decreasing westerly, mostly force 4 to 6. Force 7 at times in the northeast and on the North Irish Sea. Weather, persistent rain clearing northeastwards imminent, then cloudy to fair with scattered showers. Rain in the northeast soon. Later cloudy to fair with isolated showers. And the visibility is moderate to poor in precipitation. And there's a warning of heavy swell developing on southern and western coasts. The outlook for a further 24 hours, southwest to west winds will decrease mostly moderate to strong on Friday night, backing southerly on Saturday and increasing strong to near gale force, occasionally reaching gale force. Later veering southwest and decreasing mostly moderate to strong, near gale force in northern areas. Weather, cloudy to fair with scattered showers, some wintry with a chance of hail and thunder. A band of showery rain will spread eastwards on Saturday. And now for the coastal reports at 11 p.m. Mallinhead, southeast, 18 knots, cloudy, 24 miles, 981 hectopascals, falling very rapidly. Boy M5 off the southeast coast, south-southeast, 26 knots, gust 42 knots, 983, falling very rapidly. Roches Point south, 44 knots, gust 57 knots, light rain, 1.2 miles, 975, falling very rapidly. Valencia south, 30 knots, gust 48 knots, light rain, 1.4 miles, 969, falling very rapidly. Belmullity southeast, 24 knots, gust 40 knots, light rain, 2 miles, 969, falling very rapidly. And finally, Dublin Airport, south-southeast, 18 knots, gust 28 knots, light rain, 4 miles, 984 hectopascals, falling very rapidly. That's it for now. Take care.